What's up? Today we're going to talk about the Rig Nacon 800 Pro HD wireless gaming headsets with basically 3D audio. The reason we're doing this is because H2K Gaming and Rig Gaming are officially partnered up. I'm super excited. Let's get right into this. So these headsets are supposed to be sick. I've looked, I couldn't help myself. I looked at the reviews already. Stickers. Rig stickers. You have to plug it into your computer with a USB key. Nice. So I guess you could wire them in. I know what song I'm gonna play when I put these on. That's micro USB. The quality. Sick. Man, it buffers the sound like I cannot hear anything else. Aesthetically, I mean, they look great, but there's more. So I can keep the headsets charged on this docking station, and the headsets are fully wireless, and it has 3D audio, which means it's like the best surround sound audio you can possibly get. Oh yeah. So you can actually put the USB in here like that. Put the USB in there. Then you can plug this station to your computer with this. You find a spare USB port and boom, you got yourself some audio. When you plug it in, I think the light goes crazy. Nice little blue light there. Are they charging? So when they're charging, the light turns red like that. Flashes. I think they're charging. Wow. The sound. It sounds... It's so deep. The power on this sound here sounds amazing. Wow. It's definitely something to go from earbuds to headsets. It's just another level. Plus, these are like on a professional level. The sound is just amazing. It muffles everything around me. Wow, it really is. It's mind-blowing. The surround sound here, and I got this Halo song right now. It just sounds amazing. Wow. Thank you so much, Rig Gaming. Appreciate the partnership. I'm Joey. See you guys next time. Peace out.